Good day, my fellow Sparkies. So, today we will know and understand how to do a simple program of how to do Modbus communication between inverter and PLC. So, same thing. I'm using my inverter Picroll E700, which is already been set to Modbus communication. All the necessary parameters already been configured to Modbus communication, and my PLC, today I'm using Apex 3UC 32MT, different from the previous video that I've showed you guys. So the previous one is this one, Apex 3U 32M, and this one is Apex 3UC. So guys, so the difference between these two and this one, they are both RS-485 communication, but this one is not Modbus supported compared to the other one, which is I have here. So luckily my order arrived from AliExpress just 2 days ago. So this is Epic Studio 4580p MB, which is can read, send and receive Modbus communication, and this is the one. So there you guys, Epic Studio 4580p MB. So yeah, and the other one is Epic Studio 232. This is RS232C communication. So okay, so guys, it depends on what PLC you are using. So like for example, I'm using Apex 3UC. So if you want to learn more about how to do Modbus communication, just download Modbus Serial Communication Edition. Depends on what PLC you are using. And yep, so how to do Modbus simple setting. So guys, this is the instructions of how to do channel 1 and channel 2 Modbus communication. So these are the basic instructions, and these are the registers, and this is how you do program your data link, parity, stop bit, baud rate. And if you're using RS232 Modbus or RS485 electrical signal Modbus, so there are two electrical signal, guys. One is RS232 electrical signal, and the other one is RS485 electrical signal. Both are used in communication, but depends on what are you going to use or necessarily needed in your communication protocol. It's either RS32C or RS485. So these are the Modbus instructions. So in my simple program, I'd use H3 or read holding registers and write single registers. So guys, pagpasensya nyo na kung bakit ako nag-English, kasi meron din tayong mga kaibigang mga Kiwis na gusto ring matuto ng ginagawa nating mga Filipino automation. So itong video na ito ay gusto kong ipanood dun sa mga baguhan pa lang sa automation na gusto matuto. At yung mga dating mga magagaling na, ini-encourage ko naman kayo na mag-post din para matuto din yung mga baguhan na gustong sumabak din sa mundo ng automation. So, okay guys, balik tayo. So, these are the Modbus instructions. This is Modbus standard instructions. So, supported by Apex series Modbus communication ADP. So that's why I have here Apex RTU 0.5 ADP. So this is the only a module that supported this Modbus instructions. So ayan, malinaw na guys. So okay, so these are the parameters or registers that we're gonna need to use to program and configure our inverter from PLC to inverter. So inverter is set, we're gonna need to use this, and inverter status or control input instructions, and we're gonna need to use running frequency and save it to RAM, and the others are stop, forward rotation, and reverse rotation. So this is my simple program. Okay guys, this is the Modbus. These are the Modbus protocol. These are the Modbus communication that I used to communicate with the inverter. So let's start online. So in this program I'd use Modbus RTU. Some are using Modbus ASCII, but what I'd use is Modbus RTU master channel 1. So okay, so let's set up the frequency M2 M2 on. So as you can see guys, run is already blinking. It's waiting for the frequency. So now let's set up the frequency. Excuse me. So let us set frequency 25 Hertz. Set. So there you go. So let's set 60, maybe 60 Hertz. Set. So then you can see guys, so these instructions, this instruction read the voltage output of this inverter. So just add 1 decimal point, so it says 247.2 volts. Then let us see what does the inverter say. So it's 247.46 approximate. So the same as what we have here. So we can use this D10 to show that to the HMI if we're gonna use the HMI. But in this video we're only using my laptop. to show you guys how does PLC and inverter communicate to each other. So yeah, there you go. So let's put it back to hertz, 60 hertz. So inject 0, to T20, set 0. So set 0 to frequency. So there you go. But you still have the run command. So because we still not stop the program. So let's start the program. Stop. There you go. So okay guys, this is how the way how to do the simple programming for Modbus protocol communication between PLC and inverter. So guys, if you need this program, just click me a message and I will send you this program also for you to understand. So until my next video.